Hi guys, this is Kaushik. Basically, I am from Kolkata, but I am staying in Bangalore. By passion, I am a wildlife photographer, and by profession, I am an engineering student. So, in the month of November, I went to a place called Dandeli. Basically, Dandeli is a little town situated in the bank of Kali River. So, this place is a paradise for the bird photographers as well as known for the black panthers. For the first 2 days, we stayed in old magazine house at Ganeshgudi near Dandeli for birding, and then we moved to the panther resort. For the adventure lover who loves adventure like river rafting, night camping, trekking, they can also come this place. So in the journey of Dandeli, I seen so many species of birds like Malabar, pied hornbill, Indian great hornbill, uh, black-napped monarch, hill moina, and so many are there. So other than birds, I seen Malabar giant squirrel and crocodile. So let's get started with the photos which I captured in Dandeli and shared your view on that. And all the photos I took from Nikon D5300 70 and 7300 mm lens, and my Instagram account link will be given in the below. you.